So first let's start with cutting up the chicken. So we're gonna get our cutting board, and we have a whole chicken, and we're gonna get started. So I've sharpened my knife a little bit, and then we're gonna get started by just trying to cut it at where each of the joints are. You'll see it'll come apart pretty easily. You hear it kind of crack at that joint. And then there's this part that's the butt. And of course, you know the wing. So basically you're just looking for where the joints are and you're separating it all at the joints. So you'll see like this part comes apart pretty easily once you figure out where all the joints are. Doesn't really take that long. If this one joint would come apart, and then this is just all the breast. Which can kind of be hard to I'm just gonna take the skin off because the skin is making it too slippery. And then you can see this is just the breast. There you go. And there you have it, chopped up in big chunks. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna chop it up a little bit smaller for curry chicken. So I will chop it up smaller, then rinse it and get it ready to cook. But that's basically how you chop up a whole chicken. So because I don't really like the skin to be on the chicken that much, I'm gonna be removing a lot of the skin, or as much of it as I can, for when I make the curry. Come on. Normally this is better if you use a paper towel to hold it because it's all slippery. So let me get one. You'll see what I mean. See, it comes off a lot easier that way. Come on. Oh, I didn't get it all off in one swoop. So then it becomes a little difficult to get this little tiny piece off. Okay, and then your wings, and then this is like the back part of the chicken, which we'll have to clean. All right, so now that we have our chicken cut up into significantly smaller pieces, we're going to wash it with some lime to clean it off. Some lime and water. And then once we wash it off, then we'll begin seasoning it. So basically, I ended up using the chicken to make some curry chicken, and here's the end result. And that's your basic tutorial on how to chop up a chicken. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.